Hi guys, so it is the day after Christmas. We are in the car and Zach ordered a game at this GameStop for his Switch because I didn't know what games to get, so I didn't get one. But we're gonna do a little bit of shopping. We already went to Starbucks. We found a Starbucks that had caramel brulee latte. Most of them around here were out of it, so I'm glad I found it, so I can have at least one more caramel brulee latte. So we're gonna go to Marshall's / Homegoods and go to that location and do a little shop with me. And I'm also shooting this, or I'm filming it completely on iPhone 12 Pro Max. So last time, I think a couple people commented and said how good the videos looked, and I let Zach do the vlogging, and like the panning in the videos, like it's so smooth. The video looks so good, so I just figured I would show you guys what it's like. So I'm gonna just put in some music and do a little chill shopping. So if you want to see some shopping at Marshall's, then just keep watching.